In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column width on Wix Studio. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick, clean adjustments that keep your layouts looking polished and balanced. First, make sure you're working on the section or grid where you want to adjust the columns. Click to select the column section or grid so it's clearly highlighted on the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and the familiar handles appear around it. This simply confirms you're working on the right container and that any changes you make will apply to those columns. With the section or grid selected, move your cursor slowly toward the edge of the column you want to change. As you hover along that boundary, watch for your cursor to change into a resize indicator, typically a double-sided arrow. That cursor change is your visual cue that you're on the exact edge that controls width. If you don't see it right away, nudge your mouse slightly along the edge until it appears. Once the resize cursor shows up, click, hold, and drag. Pull inward to make the column narrower, or outward to make it wider. Go slowly, and keep an eye on your layout as you drag. You'll often see guidelines and snapping behavior that help you align widths with neighboring columns for a consistent look. Release your mouse when the column feels right. If it's not quite there, simply hover again and repeat the drag until the proportions match your design. If you're working with a section that has multiple columns, you'll typically drag the divider between them, which adjusts how space is shared. In a grid, you'll do the same thing along the grid track edges. Either way, the idea is the same. Hover until the cursor changes, then click, hold, and drag to set the new width. As you adjust, keep an eye on how your text, images, and buttons respond. Content may reflow or wrap as the width changes, which is normal. Aim for a width that gives your elements enough breathing room without leaving too much empty space. Small, precise drags often give the best results, and you can always fine-tune again if something shifts. That's all there is to it. Select the section or grid, hover until you see the resize cursor, then click, hold, and drag to dial in the exact column width you want. With a few careful adjustments, your design will look cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read.